Hey guys, today I am going to be talking to you about online arbitrage, which is the method that I use to sell on Amazon FBA. And I'm going to explain to you why you should choose the online arbitrage business model over the rest of the business models that are on Amazon. And the other business models that you can choose from are wholesale, private label, retail arbitrage. Basically, I'm going to explain why online arbitrage is the best and why I purchase the majority of my products using the online arbitrage business model. The first thing that's really great with the online arbitrage business model is you're buying from online retailers. So you don't have to buy any packing material or you don't have to buy any cardboard boxes because all of your inventory is already going to be coming in boxes from the actual retailer. So they're already pre-boxed for you. All you have to maybe do is, if you're ordering a bunch of stuff at once, is actually open the box and ensure that the contents are in there. But other than that, you already have your boxes packed, and if you know, like based on the tracking number and based on the retailer, that they're gonna actually send say you ordered 10 units and then they actually are gonna send all 10 units in one box, then you don't even need to open it and you can slap your FBA labels right on it and ship it into Amazon. So that is one of the huge perks with online arbitrage. One of the other huge perks with online arbitrage is you're selling brands that are already well known. People that are selling their brands in these big online retailers are going to likely have well-known brand names. So you're going to be able to buy well-known brands and sell it on Amazon without having to pay a bunch of money in advertising. I've never spent $1 in advertising on Amazon. So that just goes to show that the online arbitrage business model allows you to use the already well-known brand names to get the best exposure for your products without actually advertising at all. So it definitely helps a lot and saves you a lot of money without having to advertise and try to build up a brand. The other thing is with online arbitrage, a lot of the times if you send your inventory into Amazon right away and then you get a return, a lot of places have 30-day return policies, 60 days, sometimes even 90-day return policies. So sometimes you can actually return the items that have been returned to you and cut down on your losses. So if you're getting returns, rather than having to write it off, you can actually return that item back and get what you paid back for it. That doesn't always happen because sometimes by the time you get the return back from Amazon, it could be too late. But that is something that does happen from time to time, and that's a huge benefit because if you're private labeling products, then you're not gonna ever be able to return it because you have your brand name slapped on that item. And it's not to say that you can't make money with private labeling, but the problem with private labeling is there's a very high failure rate, and the other thing is it's very difficult to get into now that there's so many people trying it. Whereas online arbitrage, there's not a lot of barriers to entry. You just have to have a good program that will show you where the deals are. And the program that I recommend for finding the best deals for online arbitrage is called Tactical Arbitrage. I've made a ton of videos on Tactical Arbitrage, so if you want to learn more about it, check out the other videos on my channel, and then I'll also put a link in the description below so you can try out Tactical Arbitrage absolutely free to see if you like it and to see if you're able to find products. But I'm really sure that you will be able to, because I use that program every single day, and that's how I find the majority of the products that I sell on Amazon FBA through the online arbitrage business model is right through Tactical Arbitrage, because there are so many good products and so many good stores that you can search through on Tactical Arbitrage, and the opportunities are endless. So that is why I've chosen to use Tactical Arbitrage every day and why I do the online arbitrage business model, because of those reasons. The other things that are really great with online arbitrage is a lot of times you can buy from the same retailers and you can get products over and over again and find a lot of replenishable products. Now, if you're just doing online arbitrage on sale items, this is going to be difficult, but what the best thing to do for online arbitrage is to find products that you are buying at retail price or close to retail price and are still able to sell for a profit. Because if you're able to find products that you can sell for a profit when they're close to the retail price, that means you're gonna likely be able to replenish them. And even if one retailer goes out of stock, likely there's going to be other retailers that are going to have the same product around the same price. So this is a huge opportunity to be able to replenish your inventory, and that's where you really want to find products that you're able to replenish, because that's where you're going to be able to grow your Amazon FBA business. And that's what I mainly do, is I don't really do the whole, okay, this thing's $10 off or $50 off this product, so I'm gonna buy a bunch of them now. That does happen from time to time, but mainly I'm looking for products that I can buy close to retail price and sell for a profit, so that I can constantly be replenishing that product. And if that item happens to go on sale, then great, I'm making additional profit. But I'm not out there looking for sale items, and there's people that do that, and you can make money from it. But I find that if you're looking to scale the business and scale your online arbitrage business, then you want to be looking for products that you could replenish, because that's where you're going to notice the real profit, when you can sell 100 or 1,000 of a specific item rather than just 3 or 5 or 10. Because when you're selling in volume, that's where you're going to grow your business. And that's why I'm constantly looking for products that are replenishable and that are available in larger quantities from the online retailers. The other great thing with online arbitrage is you don't need a warehouse, and you don't need to worry about them not shipping to prep centers, because online arbitrage retailers, the majority of the time, will ship right to your prep centers. So if you're using a prep center, you can get it shipped to them. If you're fulfilling the items yourself, or if you're packaging the items yourself and sending them into Amazon, then you can get them sent right to your house. There's no real restrictions on that, and some retailers won't send to prep centers, but the majority will. So that's where you still have a big opportunity to grow your Amazon FBA business with the online arbitrage business model. Now, with that being said, can you still make money with the other business models on Amazon? And the answer is definitely yes. But the main reasons that I like the online arbitrage business model that I've explained to you already are also the fact that there's low barriers to entry. So a lot of people just starting out can get started with the online arbitrage business model with no real business background. You don't need a lot of capital to start up. So it's really, with the low barriers to entry, allows everyone a fair opportunity to get in to selling on Amazon, to learn the Amazon FBA business model, and especially with selling on there with the online arbitrage business model. So what I recommend for people starting out, definitely check out my course. First link in the description below. I talk everything about online arbitrage that you can need to know, and you can definitely get started with that way. Or you can check out my other YouTube videos, or what I would recommend is check out Tactical Arbitrage. There's a link in the description below. Get that free trial. Give it a try. Start looking for products. Find products that you're able to source and start sending stuff in. Create a seller account. It's worth doing, because there's really a lot of money to be made. There's so much money that gets left on the table. I have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars of inventory that's either on its way or at Amazon's warehouses, and I'm still leaving out big opportunities, because as you grow, you find so many different opportunities, and some things that, okay, it's a 15% ROI, sometimes I have to just let those go and just focus on investing my money and investing into inventory that has higher ROIs, because I'm not able to purchase every little product that I find. But with Tactical Arbitrage, you can find hundreds, if not thousands, of products when you're running these searches every single day. So definitely give that 10-day trial a try for free and see what you guys think about it. Also, like I said, check out my course. I show you everything you need to know to get started on Amazon FBA, especially with the online arbitrage business model, and to grow your business to the next level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of clears up some things about online arbitrage and helps you to figure out which business model you would want to get into if you start selling on Amazon, or if you're already selling on Amazon and in a different business model, maybe try checking out online arbitrage, because I highly recommend it. And I've known so many students of mine and so many people that have had success with the online arbitrage business model, and I want you to have success just like I have and continue to have. So make sure you check out the things that I described in this video. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.